All right, let's try this again. Here we go. Graphing ordered pairs in a coordinate plane. Do you think the graph shows the quantities very directly? Explain your reasoning. I'm pretty sure students are going to have to be able to do this without a graph, but let me show you how to do it with a graph. -2, -2. So I go over -2, down to -2. That's that point. Over 0, up 0. That's here. Over 2, up 2. That's there. And then over 4, up 4. So that is there. Yeah, this is going to have direct variation because x and y can be multiplied by the same thing. Blah, blah, blah. Hang on. First of all, if you look at the graph, it's a straight line. That's first. Second of all, it goes right through the origin. It goes through 0, 0. And if it does those two things, then yes, you're good. It shows direct variation, otherwise known as a proportion. Yeah, it's really easy to get caught up in the wording of it all, but really, is this a proportional relationship? And the answer is yes, it's a straight line through the origin. Now, to do this without a graph, let me see if I can, no, I can't. Okay. Well, this is the x value, and that's the y value, and that's true for all of these. First digit is the x, second digit is the y, right? They're all x and y values, and the first number does the x, and the second number does the y. So here we go. To tell if there's direct variation, you have to multiply all the x's times the same value of k. And it's 1 in this case, because -2, right? So x times this thing is y. X times something 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 is y. And k is equal to 1 in this case, because everything is just being multiplied by itself. Over here, is there a number? I don't want to start with a negative. Let's start over here. Oh yeah, no, this definitely does not have a proportional relationship because 1 times 2 is 2, and 2 has to be multiplied by the same number as its compadre over here, and that would be a 4, not a 5. So I know right away that this doesn't have direct variation. Not only that, if I try 0 times 2, I'll get 0, because anything times 0 is 0. So this thing doesn't have direct variation. Let's see what the graph looks like. -1, -4, -1, -4 is there. 0, -1 is the next point. So I go over 0 down to -1 right there. Here, over 1, up 2. So over 1, up 2 looks like that. And then over 2, up 5. Over 2, up 5 like that. Okay, so it is a straight line. It is a straight line, but it doesn't go through the origin. It's a little bit shy. The origin is where these two axes cross right there, and this graph doesn't go quite through that point. It misses. So that's another way to tell that it doesn't have direct variation.